I'm Brian Bussard. I work at HOLLOWAY America. I'm the purchasing manager. My job responsibilities would be working with suppliers, managing our suppliers, finding new suppliers, and also manage the receiving, shipping, and warehouse department. So me and my wife met somewhere around 2006, and we had gotten married in 2011. And in 2015, we added a set of twin boys. So the last 8 years of our life has been pretty hectic and a really fun time, and it's been really good for both of us. As far as my hobbies go, I really don't have a favorite hobby. If I can be riding on a motorcycle, street bike, dirt bike, or if I can be fishing or fishing in the boat or just out with the kids on the kayak on the river, that is plenty enough for me. I guess I'm easily made happy. It's nice just to get a release to just enjoy life and enjoy nature the way I think you're supposed to. So, when I was in high school, I didn't really have a plan other than just go to college and didn't really have anything driven. So my older brother had taken welding class through VOTEC in high school, so I was always competitive with him, so I thought I could just do it too, and I'd have something to go lean on after high school. I always thought I was going to go to college and get a degree anyway, but I'd have something to start out with since I didn't have any kind of way to pay for college, so I was going to just work and pay for it myself. I hired in at a stainless steel company here in Springfield just a handful of days after I graduated high school, and I've been a welder ever since. I welded about 3 or 4 years, and then I moved into the shear and brake department at that company, and that's really where I excelled. I really like doing the work. I like the crafting, the bumping cones and building shells, and really just getting out of welding. I kind of like that. I still enjoy welding and doing that stuff. I was ready to get out of it at the time. As far as starting out at a lower position, you see a lot of the nuts and bolts and how to get a lot of the information that some of the younger guys don't understand, where they just want to jump the line and want to move up as fast as they can. But now that I'm in the position I'm in, at the age I'm at, and the years of experience I have in the industry, it's very beneficial to have the background that I have. I like to be involved. I like to really get to know my coworkers, and I really got that feeling here at Holloway that the people that I'm working with are really good people. They're here to help you out. Moving from the shop into the office, it's the same way. Everybody was just welcoming. I just believe in the direction the company is headed, and I really enjoy a lot of the people that I work with.